Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this Renaissance-y clown situation with my little collar and my wig. I did pull wigs out this Halloween, so I'm pretty excited because we did pull wigs out this year. We have more coming, don't worry. So this year is this, so today is this really glam clown, and it's a really pretty look. It's not scary at all, and I think it just is perfect for those of you who want to look really glam and really beautiful but still have a fun costume. So I hope that you guys like this tutorial, and if you want to see how to get this glam clown, please keep watching. Alright, so we have a bare face, and we're just going to start doing all our face makeup. This is a Halloween tutorial, but it's kind of going to serve as like an updated foundation routine for me as well. So first, we are going to start with my Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Long Wear Liquid Foundation, Full Coverage, Matte Finish, Oil Free. And it is in the shade 3.5. It's a little bit too dark for me, so I'm mixing it with the shade 2.5 as well. Just FYI. Also, you are going to hear my puppy in this video because he's not being very good at going down for a nap at this moment. I'm just going to buff that out with the BH Cosmetics 123 brush. Okay, and then I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Naked Skin in Fair Neutral for concealer. And I'm just going to set that with a little bit of Huda Beauty face powder and Pound Cake. It's their baking powder. I just, or if you do have sensitive skin, because this does have a pretty strong perfume scent. I'm going to go ahead and go in with bronzer. I'm using my Benefit Blush Bar in Hoola. I want this contour for this look to be pretty significant, so. Now it's time for the fun part. Okay, so I have all of my full collection of the Naked Cherry collection. I just got it in the mail, so super excited to film with it. And so I have the eyeshadow palette, the lipsticks, the setting spray, the liner, the highlight and blush palette, and of course, you know, the eyeshadow. I think I said that. Okay, I'm so sorry for the puppy in the background. So I am going to be using the blush color in the Naked Cherry palette. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this highlight color. I'm going to go in with the white shade over here. Super pretty. I really like that. This will be great to travel with. All right. Next, we're gonna go in with our Cranberry Smoky Eye, which is going to be the beginning of this clown look. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Feels. Next, I am going to go in with the shade Devilish. And then last, I'm going to go in with the shade Drunk Dial. It's a shimmery burgundy shade on the end. Just gonna buff out with this other brush. Just a fluffy shader brush. And now I'm going to bring pink in down to contour my nose. So I'm going to be using the shade Devilish for that. Alright, so next I'm going to start the triangle portions of this clown look, and I'm just doing little outlines in maroon shadow. So I'm going to be using the shade Devilish again. I want the edges to be really smoky. Almost looks like wounded skin now. So I'm going to take our Urban Decay Black Market liner, and this came with the Cherry collection. And then I'm going to fill it in with this liquid liner. Alright, so now it's time for the fun part, the glitter. So, I have my BH Cosmetics Glitter Collection Loose Glitter in Smoky Gold, and it's this really beautiful champagne shade. And I also have my Lit Cosmetics Liquid Glitter Base. And just a flat brush to start painting it on. We're just going to start applying it in the empty spaces here. Okay, so I went ahead and threw lashes on off camera, and I'm wearing my Scarlet 8 Huda Beauty lashes. And they're so pretty. And I put my wig cap on because we're going to be wearing a wig, so my wig cap's on and we're ready. And now we are going to do the lips. So I am going to outline my lips here and then fill them in with lipstick, and we should almost be done at that point. And this is the Naked Cherry lipstick. It's a cream lipstick that comes in that collection. I'm just going to take my lip brush and fill the edges in here. Let's add our wig and costume pieces, and then we're ready for the circus. And this, guys, is the final look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you hanging out with me this Halloween. I hope that you have enjoyed this year's makeup tutorials. I've been really excited about doing this one for a while because I know a lot of you really requested some glam looks, and so I thought splitting it 50-50 between glam and gore would be the best way to go. So this is one of my favorite glam looks of this season, and it's really fun with the wig and the little clown guys, and I think it's actually really beautiful. So if you are going to a Halloween party where you want to be more glam than gore, this is definitely the way to go. And it's not that difficult. I used almost all regular makeup anyways, not special effects makeup, so I'm sure that you can pull from your collection to put this together. Plus, I was able to use the Naked Cherry collection, which I give like a 5 out of 5 stars for this, because I thought that the formulas are really nice. I'm still going to do a couple more tutorials with this for you guys and kind of show you some other looks, not Halloween looks, regular looks with it, but I was very impressed with it. I was impressed with the blush palette, and this lipstick is really, really beautiful, so I really like the collection. So if you're looking for a good collection, if that's burgundy, cherry tones, this is definitely a good one to pick up. Alright guys, well, let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. Let me know if you like this look, all that good stuff, and I will definitely get back to you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!